before this video starts, I just want to give a quick shout out to 5x for suggesting this video. So yeah, if you want to shout out, then make sure you leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The Chicken Game here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make an instant respawn. Now this doesn't require any scripts or anything. It is very simple to use, very simple to do. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is click on players in the Explorer tab, and then scroll down to where it says respawn time, and then it should say 5 by default. Just change that down to 0. So now when I click play again, I'm joining another game. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've joined in a game now. So if I just quickly reset my character, you see, it didn't take any seconds there. It did it instantly. So if I do it again, look at that. Look at that. Alright guys, so this is going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy and you want to see more, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn the bell so then you'll be notified when another video comes out. So yeah, also remember to leave video suggestions in the comment section for a shout out on one of my videos. So this is going to be it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.